Just in case you couldn't hear me. What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be playing LFNF Testing Place. Since when I did Monday Morning Misery, the recording crashed, the game froze, I couldn't play it. Yeah, it got all funky. So, no, we're not playing MMM, aka Monday Morning Misery. We're playing LFNF TP. LFNF TP, aka literally Friday Night Funkin' Testing Place. Friday Night Funkin' Testing Place. Alright. We're going to do slow. Essence. I'm a mobile, not that good. We're going to play as Cappy. It's not going to say the score, but who cares? Alright, let's go to Cappy. Cappy. Yeah. Copy. It's loading. Let me restart that. I know I'm not good. I'm going to reveal that. Yeah, you can see it's lagging a lot because of the arrows. There you go. I'm going to play every song. I'm just gonna make sure everything's set up. Yeah, alright. The audio. Also, if you hear like wind, it's not because I'm playing outside. It's also because I have my fan on. We're gonna do that. It starts.
3, 2, 1, go!
I forgot, we're going slow. That's the only time you're hearing me sing. Alright, we're gonna do this song. I'm getting tired of this song. Sorry guys. We're turning off extra slow. Do massacre easy mode since I'm not that good. I'm not that good. Shoot, I got the thing turn off left side. Cause if you're ever doing left side and you're doing Massacre easy and you're playing as Tabby, guys, automatic hard mode but slow. Oh, you probably guys you're gonna send comments. Oh, you're lying. No. Automatic hard mode. That's for us on easy mode. I played this multiple times, beat it multiple times, just I'm not gonna go so hard. He's already beat this. I'm sorry for him. We have a panda from the house. And there's this one guy I got to where when I press the red arrow, okay, the red arrow, sometimes it's like I miss, and the miss is not there. Yes, the health bar will go down. Wait, I'm recording on that maze, but a fly went out my nose. It was walking around my nose. I'm recording right now, so they can hear you. I have microphone on. So I mute microphone, no sound at all.
Unsubscribe.
Huh?
Unsubscribe.
I lied, I can't hear you. Wink, wink. No, I subscribe to myself. Plus, you go subscribe and Jason as well. Once you get more subscribers, I made this count on Sunday, December 2019. Yeah, on a different account you can't get into. Yeah, someone probably hacked it. Okay, let's go. That was my brother, everyone. No. The lag, though. I'm gonna play boxing match.
Three, two, one, go.
Yeah, I was going to if I did yeah, I gotta play for like 4 seconds. You saw that lag. You saw that lag, dude. We're gonna do multiplayer.
3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not playing! You guys can hear that. I'm not playing it.